In every room I hear your laugh, like echoes carved into the past. A shadow moves, a curtain sways, and I'm back in those golden days. Echoes of us, they softly call, in every memory, in every wall.
Can you believe it? That song you just heard was made by AI, and I mean completely. From the lyrics to the vocals to the music itself, all 100% AI generated. No human singer, no band, no studio, just smart technology doing something mind-blowing. Have you ever made a video or a podcast and just couldn't find the right music, and then boom, you finally find the perfect track only to get hit with a copyright strike? Yeah, that sucks. That's when I found Musicful, and I've got to say, it completely changed everything. Seriously, this platform is insane. Just type in whatever lyrics or vibe you're feeling, and within seconds, it creates a full song for you. Seriously, whether you're into lo-fi, hip-hop, rap, love songs, or even jingles, this tool's got you covered. And the best part, it's 100% royalty-free. I know it sounds unbelievable, but trust me, it's real and it's awesome. Getting started is super easy. Just click the link down below in the description and it'll take you straight to the Musicful AI website. From there, just sign up using your email or Google, whichever works best for you. No complicated steps. In just a few clicks, you'll be inside the dashboard. It's really that simple. Once you're inside, go ahead and hit Make Music for free. That takes you right to the music creation dashboard. Super straightforward. Here, you'll see where you can start building your song, and on the right side, it shows your generated track. I actually already made one earlier, so let me play it back for you.
I used to chase the light you cast, but now I want what truly lasts. Used to chase the light you cast, but now I want what truly lasts. I followed you through crowded streets, through every echo, every beat.
Awesome, right? Alright, let me show you exactly how I do this. It has two versions. Version 1.0 lets you create full songs that go up to 4 minutes long, and version 1.5 is a game changer. You can type in up to 5,000 characters and generate tracks that last up to 8 minutes. You've got two ways to start here. Either use your own lyrics or just describe the vibe and topic of the song you want. And if you're not sure what idea to go with, just click Get Inspired, and the AI will throw out some cool ideas to get you going. Alright, so if you've already got your lyrics ready, just go ahead and paste them into the lyrics box. Then you can pick your music style, something like pop, rap, whatever fits your vibe. When you click on More, you'll see a bunch of extra options pop up. You can select genres like pop, rap, or even jazz. There's also a mood selector where you can set the tone. Maybe you want the song to feel positive, romantic, or a bit sad. Totally your call. You even have a choice how the vocals sound, whether you want a cappella, spoken word, or something like chanting. When it comes to instruments, you've got tons of options, from guitars and drums to xylophones and beyond. Just think about what feels right for your song and go with it. Plus, there's a style option like, is it for kids? Is it traditional? Or maybe something with a party vibe? Just play around with the style until it fits the vibe you're going for. Now, add the song title. This step is optional, but it can help you stay organized if you're working on multiple tracks. Once you've done that, click Create Song, and within seconds, your music will begin to take shape. Alright? It's done generating the song. We've got two versions here, so let's hit play and check them out. I've built a space inside my chest for your heart to find its rest. When the world gets loud and wrong, come back to where you belong. Where you belong.
is here with me. I've built space inside my chest for your heart to find its rest. When the world gets loud and wrong, come back to where you belong. Where you belong is here with me.
I think it's a pretty nice song, but hey, if it's not your vibe, just play around with the music style and hit regenerate. You can keep tweaking it until it sounds just right for you. Now, if you just want the instrumental version, just head over here and enable this button. That'll let you generate music without any lyrics. You can choose whatever instrument you like, just make sure to remove the vocal part, since there's no singing needed. Then hit Create Song. I didn't change the instruments, I originally used the same version with lyrics. I just removed the voice. Let's see if it sounds the same without the vocals. It's actually pretty nice, sounds just like the one with vocals. Then I tried generating some instrumentals. Honestly, I just clicked on random instruments to see what happened. Let's give them a listen. Not bad at all. Now check this one out. I picked the instruments myself this time. Whoa, that's awesome. You can literally make disco music just using these tools. How cool is that? Alright, here comes the cool part. Musicful has this awesome AI cover section, packed with over 4,000 different AI voice models, like celebrities, famous rappers, animated characters, and even voices from video games. So let's say I want my track to sound like Enrique Iglesias. Simply select his voice from the list. You can paste in a YouTube link of a song or upload your own. I'll use my own music and hit create. Alright, now we just wait a few seconds while the AI generates the song cover. Okay, there it is. Let's hear how it turned out.
In every room, I hear your laugh, like echoes carved into the past. A shadow moves, a curtain sways, and I'm back in those golden days.
Oh wow, that's actually super nice. I wasn't expecting it to sound this good. Honestly, it's kinda wild how realistic it is. Musicful just re-sang the whole thing using Enrique's voice. Also, if you want, you can try different voices too. Here, I tried with another option, this time using Eminem's voice. Let's have a listen to how that turned out.
In every room, I hear your laugh, like echoes carved into the past. A shadow moves, a curtain sway, and I'm back in those golden days.
That actually sounds really good. Now you've got options. You can publish it in the community tab, download it to your device, or even extend the track if you're feeling it. Do whatever works for you. It's all in your hands now, so have fun with it. Inside the Music Hub, you can check out what other people are creating. Also, you can drop a like if you're feeling it and get inspired by a community of creators. Musicful offers a free plan to get started, but if you're serious about content or music production, the paid plans unlock longer songs, higher quality audio, and advanced features. Ready to create your own music? Hit the link in the description to start for free. Leave a comment with your favorite feature. Like this video if you found it helpful. Subscribe for more AI content, tools, and tutorials.